I'm Joshua Reimer with the product management team here at Loewen, and this is our double hung. The double hung is a more traditional product. It's important to make sure that we design this product so that it's architecturally correct. So the first thing you'll notice is that the stiles run through and the rails abut, which is very architecturally intentional. It has a discrete ogee, which is expected in traditional markets, but also works great in contemporary homes as well. All the corners are coped. We don't do any miter joinery or butt joinery. Meat rails run through, and you can see that there's a very flush look on the top. There's no glazing stop on this top edge, giving it a very clean look. The lock and keeper system here is a very traditional looking design. It's available in many plated metallic finishes, and it gives it a really authentic look, very clean. Being a double hung, we also have sash lifts that are an option as well, and those will always match the lock and keeper. Easy to unlock, easy to operate. Now, you'll notice that the balances are concealed within the jambs. So we use black jamb liners, which are hidden and meld into the shadow of the unit. And then of course we have the Douglas fir jamb cover. Now, if for whatever reason I wanted to have access to the other side of the sash, maybe I want to clean the window, you can take this lock and you can overextend it. And what happens is it pulls in pins on either side, and you can drop it with one hand. If you look at the jamb itself, you'll notice that the balance system is well hidden behind Douglas fir jamb covers at the top and metal clad ones at the bottom. The weather stripping runs on the frame, up and across, and then up again. And this allows for really great water performance, which is highly important, especially when this product is available in both an impact and a non-impact version. I drop the top sash a little bit here. I'd like to draw your attention to this square fuzzy block. Upon installation, those are removable, and behind them they come with jamb jacks as standard, which is highly important to ensure that the frame is installed square when it is installed into the house. The other option that we have is for a tilting or a non-tilting version of this product. So the non-tilting, we call it a Liberty system. Basically, it's a couple of robust stops that go on either side of the frame. It holds the sash in place, preventing it from tilting out. Now, you might want to select that as an option if it is an impact rated product. The impact rated products require the Liberty stops, give it the extra strength it needs to survive those hurricane winds. If you have a very large product, the larger the sash, then the more likely that you probably don't want it to tilt, or if you just don't want it to tilt. Our sash are available in two different dimensional options. So we have our standard sash, which is designed for dual glazing, your more traditional standard kind of sealed unit configuration. But we also have a grand version, which is great for triple glazing, which we can do on the double hung product. It's also great for thicker sealed unit applications like Tranquility glass for those high STC, low sound transmittance applications as well. Now that we're looking at the exterior of the product, we can see that it's still architecturally correct, just like the interior. The stiles running through, the rails abutting, all the joinery is completely coped. There's no glazing stops. We still have that discrete ogee. The sash and the frame are clad with the same robust aluminum that we have in our other product. It's that thick extrusion that we have across our entire line, the AMA 2605 rated paint. We have an intentional leg that wraps all the way around, big and robust, it looks traditional. We look at the jamb liners. Again, we try to be as discreet as possible. The jamb liner is black. We also have the screen retention fin. So this wraps around three sides, and what that fin does is it holds the screen pins in place so that you can have exterior applied screens. We can, as an alternative, do a half screen, and those pins can actually ride in that track. so that you can actually slide the screen out of the way if you wanted to reach out of your window for whatever reason. This sill design is designed to be very traditional, so it's got that big flat edge, and it's designed so that we can allow sill nosing to be abutted to the underside of it. So in more traditional markets, it's not uncommon to have the dealer or the builder apply, thick, intentional looking casing to the exterior of their product. So we've designed this product with that in mind. So if this product didn't have the casing on it, didn't have the sill nose, the sill would actually come down to a very thin edge, and you could abut, your own sill nosing underneath it, the casing to the sides of it, and get that very traditional look that's demanded by that particular market. This product is available in double hung, single hung. It's available in fixed and transoms as well, and we can do shapes in all those as well.